Hi guys, good morning. If you don't know, your girl Melika Skylife in the building, you're one of them. I have Karina Skylife over there, so. Just done workout. We actually need to stretch it through, I never remember about that, you know. You got stretch now. We just done do a killer workout with ropes, jump rope. Not actually core rope, not the real jump rope. We never jumped with that this morning. This rope is actually heavier than the other rope. So like when you're doing jumps, if you're doing speed jumping, you have weighted jumping too. So the weight can weigh half pound, 1 pound, whatever. That's a heavy weight when I know how much you weigh. Works your arms and you have to jump higher to get the rope around. You also, you also burn a lot of calories because the rope is actually providing resistance. So workout thing, you know, easy. We're tired, you know, for Monday. Because I'm Monday, but we're really, really tired. We've been here from around 6:30, 7 o'clock. And we're going to cool down now and bathe things. I'm going to work today. Today is actually Monday, April. Today which day? April what? Bad girl, Cherry. Today is actually Monday, April. And I think Carrie Key. Monday, April what? Today is 5th, Karina? Today is actually the 6th of April. I'm still going to work. I had something to do there. So I'm going to get it done. Mommy, I carry key shop. Oh yeah, I'm thirsty. I'm gonna get some water and things. So now talk back to a little bit about the crisis and how it has affected people's job at work. Very and I cover my camera. Okay, so I notice when me I record and not hear me. So I need to be aware of that. So hold on, let me see if me I hear myself.
18, don't stop. Don't stop.
Tired.
Now we prepared right
700.
No, me said I will take up your whole lifetime.
Karina, we've been on 500 for this is gonna make 3 weeks.
No, Melissa, we've not been on 5 now, 100 now, 3 weeks. Last week we started.
This is a code. Sorry. I'm there. 370, 470.
412.
Alright.
That's up? 570.
How much? I thought I've been doing other things. One. How much I get? 92.
Six more, you can have 92.
What do you need?
So, for this little away. How are you?
A glass and a little back here. That's around 35 pounds.
How much minute?
475. What's the name of that? To get more than.
But when I pick up myself, maybe it's a finish. Or you have a left. One leg,
No, anytime I go for one leg, maybe a week.
instead. Next 500. Come, let's go right into it, right time.
Woman, serve. You can do serve. Serve.
Yeah.
You can do regular squat. Weight maker.
You know, about no weights, you know, me. No weights to carry.
Let's take a vote. Weight or no weight?
Definitely.
Definitely weight.
You get more.
But make anybody rich. Yeah, what's hard? Y'all can do it. I know, let's come. Come, are we ready?
What we doing?
Which one?
All?
Our regular squad. Which one? Regular squad?
More than 20 pounds. Well, the equation can bring about 25, then in the past 30.
25. It's a 30 pounds.
I must say sick.
30.
Pounds. Alright, come. Ready? Oh, we're the regular squad in the set.
What are they?
Time out.
I caught ya, man.
Yeah. And you can't, you know, push yourself.
The big sinner.
Reset. Reset.
So, how much you have? 30 seconds? 45.
45 seconds. Alright. Ready? 2, 3, go.
Why? Where is your body going?
Because many new cases as before.
What's your case and get your seven?
Check one day, none.
Nothing.
Symptoms next clinic, man.
We need to do some yoga one morning. Stretch your body and get back on. Focus. We namaste. One of them is supposed to straight. True.
Don't want it. You should do organize cool down. Because my friend tell me I'm paying up a man.
And you know, cool down properly.
So you're ready.
Oh. Incline finger. Stretch your one, two, right, two. Right, two. Down. Cross. Up. Move the word. And then roll it down.
Okay. Hey, my waist is just like getting small and my booty is getting big.